all, the tech strategy is for us interconnection of the company goal and the daily life of our developers. So they are affected. And of course, it is created on a very high level. So the tech leads and the social tech lead of the Java platform take part in defining what contributes to the goals and how we use tasks to do that. But in the end, we will involve all of the platform team in Java. So we, as soon as we have something ready, we present it in open space and we talk about the tasks and also the results. And as soon as we have something, then we always invite people to participate and to take action, to work with it, to give feedback, and in order to fulfill what we want to have as a tech strategy in Java. The goal of the Java tech strategy is to get on the roadmap to pay on the company goal operational excellence. And we asked us, how do we do that as a Java platform team? And we came up with a Java tech strategy in concentrating on 3 main areas. And this is future-proofness, maintainability, and robustness. Future-proofness is the ability to not lose track of new technology and not stay behind in the past. And we are addressing this by bringing up Kotlin as the first class language for the Java platform team, and also looking into abilities of AI coding assistants like GitHub Copilot to guide us through our development lifecycle. In addition to that, we also have the goal to widen our experience to already proven fields, like expanding to other cloud providers like AWS or GCP, or even unknown or little public or private cloud providers. And we're doing that by transporting the knowledge that we already have in Azure and Azure DevOps and transporting it to these other cloud platforms. And we create templates for those new cloud platforms. And we also think about how we can generalize our pipeline works so we can work in those different cloud environments. To learn from our experience, basically what we already have, and that we transport the knowledge, basically. And one more thing we do is to help also the project setup. We want to come up with a decision matrix on when to best choose which of our supported cloud platforms. And in the beginning, it will be more like focus on Azure, because that's our main focus point for now, but over time it will evolve, and the more experience we get on other cloud platforms like AWS or GCP, we take those into account and come up with ideas when to use them best for the customer. Maintainability is for us the insurance of a long runtime of our products without bringing in too much effort from our side. And we are addressing this by setting up operational checks and maintenance plans that we can apply over the lifetime of the projects to ensure that they are meeting our requirements in this area. And other thing is that we want to come up with an idea how to manage our external dependencies like libraries. So we choose wisely on those external dependencies and make sure that we only use those that are safely to use. And also we want to implement an automatic detection when it comes to vulnerabilities. And we want to include that in our pipeline so that we can be informed at no time when the vulnerability is detected, and we can deliver safe products to our clients. Robustness is the area where we want to create stable and correct products for our clients. And it's heavily interconnected with Q&A. So we want to find a better way to work together with them and not just work alone. with them. And one of the areas where we want to do that is with static code analysis. So we currently use Sonar Cloud, but there's not taken the full potential out of the usage of Sonar Cloud, and we want to address that and get even better. And another pillar of this robustness strategy is the testing. So we want to come up with a strategy and guideline on how we best address unit and integration testing, but also draw a line between the Q&A and the dev team where and when load tests and maybe even contract tests can be applied.